how can we choose? But luckily we're going on a tour. Oh, we haven't had breakfast yet.
Which is a bit dangerous, but also fantastic.
Danger, danger. That's the bus stop right there that we're gonna be at in 1 minute. First stop.
So just take one and just make sure
I don't know the first thing to mind.
the day goes on.
Pepper cheddar. Delish.
A little bit like as a long bitter.
Excited for the next one.
Transition.
Blizzard. That's so yummy. The sweet wine. The sweet red.
I would like to try that.
Try the tawny,
Yeah.
certainly. Tawny is the style of port. We use Shiraz grapes, make it every year. It's lighter.
It sounds like a syrup.
Smell it.
Nah, the hell no.
It's kind of like watered down honey.
Lunchtime. Sparkly. Cheers.
Stop doing that. Stop doing. This one sticks to your tongue.
No,
I was excited for this one because she said it was lemonade.
yeah.
It will taste the same, but it's fun. On a scale of 1 to 10, how drunk are you? I'm like touching tipsy right now.
Yeah, I can do this every day. You like it?
What, the tour?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it.
It's actually very quite educational as well. It's like
You have to have a good tour guide though. Mine's wines in Perth.
Okay, who enjoys a bit of pink? I do. Just get a line.
Okay, this is not full body, light. What you laughing at?
what the heck is full body?
Smells like. Oh, I could smell this all day. What does crocodile taste like?
Tastes like a hard chicken.
Oh, a hard chicken.
Yeah, have a try.
I'm really scared. I would definitely have ordered this.
Yeah. I've had an alligator, but not crocodile.
Yeah, tough chicken. Potatoes, delish. Vermentino. Very easy.
Cabernet, lovely common vanilla oak, and that's our great partner special at $90.
I don't think I like rosé.
Could I try the autumn red, please? A lovely one. It doesn't linger.
Golden tawny. That was really delicious. It almost gave me like hot one vibes. I'm so like wine drunk right now. Headache's coming up.
Nah, that's not it.
I'm just not a gin person.
They almost look like a
Did you have a good time today?
I did. Next stop, chocolate company. You want hot chocolate?
Yes, I do.
Whoa, there's a... Ooh, pretzels. I love pretzel chocolate.
Babe, I gotta get one of these.
Why?
Look how cute!
You don't have to.
I do have to.
Big one, look. Hi.
Oh, that is cute. A hot chocolate spoon. So you just dip it in and then give it a bit of a swirl and you have the perfect hot chocolate. Give me chocolate.
Gimme, gimme. A chocolate castle.
Oh my god.
Which
Oh
one's
my
oh my
God.
god?
Pretzel.
The pretzels.
That is oh my god. And lovely.
This is a good gummy.
Oh, are you joking?
We'll go get the pretzel
You
one.
have to get the pretzel one and the jelly one.
Okay. Thank you.
No worries.
Genuinely, the pretzel one's so good. Sweet, salty, crunchy.
I think we spent the most out of everybody on the tour.
After some wine tasting, a little chicken treat for my chicken nugget.
Look at this cotton candy sky.
Yeah.
I'm so glad we came to the Dog Beach. They weren't lying when they said these are the best sunsets.
These are, yeah, chicken treat on the beach.
Donut fries, and when they were hot, they were really delicious.
And this is like a burger box. It's got gravy, a piece of chicken, and a burger. I quite like it. I like the mayo.
It's like Asian KFC.
I like the chips as well.
Gravy is good too. Might I say better than KFC?
Definitely a treat.
Crunch fried chicken. A different spice mix to KFC.
Tastes like a rotisserie chicken, but fried.
Yeah, that's true.
I don't hate that.
And it's a donut fry, so there's donut, like, donut matter inside and cinnamon on the outside. Still got a fantastic crunch on that.
Oh,
After
really?
30 minutes. It's $13, but you get like 10 sticks inside. As you
Rip
will.
off, but tasty. If you like
Tasty.
churros and you like the mochiness, like it's a mochi churro. I'm getting into this.
Bit of a disappointing sunset. A lot of clouds. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Careful behind you, mate.
Ah! Be careful! No! Sorry, boys.
Wow.
This is so good. If they have it at like the markets, like night markets and stuff, I'd buy that. I'm obsessed with it.
I'm obsessed with that too. We're gonna enjoy the rest of the trip. We're here at Don Birria.
This is the chicken al pastor, and this is the birria. Consomme, bunch of sauces, and it comes with the tahini and something, strawberry something. It looks delicious. Very sweet.
Too sweet.
Oh, that's good. Let's bite. Right. It just adds an extra layer of meatiness.
The consomme reminds me of a Vietnamese dish called bò kho.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it does.
Okay, this is how you eat. You eat the first layer,
Yeah.
and then anything that drops down, that's your second taco. See? Now I got a free taco. I feel like it's missing something though. It's missing something, but I don't know what it is.
It's like a small little store, but it's like fully booked out. Everyone's waiting for seats and stuff.
Done and dusted. The chicken, not bad. This one, definitely like the consomme.
I think the consomme carried it. This was okay. I never really crave like Mexican food, but that consomme is very similar to the
Vietnamese bò kho.
We smashed it, like we just drank the rest of it. It's like a very like meaty flavor that when you add it to the actual tacos, it adds an extra depth of flavor.
Yeah.
So full-bodied.
Oh, kind of like the drink now. It's tasty now.
That's actually what my friend from Perth said. She said like you have to try the strawberry drink. Here we are. Maybe just gotta wait for the ice to melt.
Yeah, $44. Yes, you were saying something?
Can we get more noodles? It's pretty inconspicuous on a corner of the street.
Prices here, she showed me, so cheap. Bowl of noodles, $8.
Shout out to Maddie for suggesting this for me. We got the kolo meat with chashu minced pork, and we also got the pan mian dry. Oh, not this particular one. There was like a special. It was like a black vinegar pig trotter pan mian. A regular kolo meat was $8.50. Excuse me. Protein, carbs, and veggies for $8.50 in 2024. price of our HelloFresh that we have to cook ourselves. That's only if we have the 40% discount. Usually it's $12 per meal. I'm glad we came here. We also got the iced Milo with coffee cocoa. It's
Coffee?
like the Asian mocha.
Got coffee in it. I can't drink it then.
You have a little bit. Honestly, I have Milo and I have an espresso machine at home. I can make this. I'll try and see if it's any good. I told him to put less sweet. This is our third dinner.
I don't think I love the topping, but the noodles itself, really good.
This is kind of what you want instant noodles to be, like a bit more cute.
Addictive.
For $8.50, you can't even be mad at it.
It's like nutty more than chili. You would love this. It smells like the feet. Oh, it's too funky for me, man.
It's got a poached egg, veggies, coriander, pig trotter, and look at that noodle. The flavor's not up my alley, personally, but the noodles are really nice. Let's get a takeaway container.
2.
Babe, I got cash. It's surcharge.